What I wish I knew about acne when I was 16 instead of 26. Let's crack the code of those pesky pimples. First up, hormones. Yep, those little rascals are like party crashers for your skin. During puberty, they crank up oil production, making it prime time for breakouts. Next, diet. Sorry to break it to you, but that extra slice of pizza might just be plotting against your complexion. High sugar and dairy can trigger inflammation, leading to more pimples. Stress? Oh, it's a biggie. Those anxiety-inducing exams or awkward social moments can spike stress hormones, causing flare-ups. And let's not forget about skincare. Using the wrong products or overwashing your face can strip your skin, causing it to overcompensate with more oil. So, what's the fix? Balance your diet, chill out, and use gentle skincare products. Remember, everyone gets pimples. It's just part of the journey, and you're not alone. Keep glowing and keep smiling. In this chapter, we will explore the common causes of pimples and how to prevent them. Stay tuned for some useful tips and tricks. First, let's dive deeper into hormones. During puberty, your body undergoes many changes, one of which is an increase in androgen hormones. These hormones stimulate the oil glands in your skin, leading to excess oil production and clogged pores. To manage this, keep your skin clean but avoid overwashing, as it can strip your skin of natural oils and cause even more oil production. Next, let's talk about diet. Certain foods, especially those high in sugar and dairy, can trigger inflammation in your body, which often manifests as pimples. Try to incorporate more whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet. Drinking plenty of water also helps keep your skin hydrated and flushes out toxins. Stress is another major culprit. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase oil production and lead to breakouts. Find ways to manage stress through activities like exercise, meditation, or even just taking a few deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed. Finally, skincare products play a crucial role. Using harsh products or those not suited for your skin type can aggravate your skin and cause pimples. Opt for gentle, non-comedogenic products that won't clog your pores. By understanding these common causes and making a few lifestyle adjustments, you can prevent many of those pesky pimples. Remember, clear skin is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent and patient with your skincare routine, and you'll see results over time. Keep glowing and keep smiling. Now, let's dive into some home remedies that can help you get rid of pimples quickly and effectively. Don't miss out on these natural solutions. First up, we have tea tree oil. This essential oil is renowned for its antibacterial properties. Simply dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the affected area with a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight and you might notice a significant reduction in redness and size by morning. Next, let's talk about honey. Honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's also a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. Apply a small amount of raw honey directly to your pimples and let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This can help speed up the healing process and reduce swelling. Aloe vera is another fantastic home remedy. Known for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera can help reduce inflammation and promote skin regeneration. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant to your pimples and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off. Don't forget about green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Use a cotton ball to apply the tea to your skin, or place the cooled tea bag directly on the pimple for a few minutes. Lastly, consider using apple cider vinegar. Its acidic nature can help balance your skin's pH and kill acne-causing bacteria. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and apply it to your skin with a cotton ball. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off with water. Be sure to use a moisturizer afterward, as apple cider vinegar can be quite drying. By incorporating these natural remedies into your skincare routine, you can tackle those pesky pimples effectively and gently. Remember, consistency is key, and always patch test any new remedy to ensure it suits your skin. Keep glowing and keep smiling. Finally, we will discuss when it's time to see a dermatologist and what treatments they might recommend. While home remedies can be effective for minor breakouts, there are times when professional advice is crucial for maintaining your skin health. If you experience severe acne that doesn't improve with over-the-counter treatments or home remedies, it may be time to consult a dermatologist. Persistent, painful, or cystic acne can lead to scarring if not treated properly. A dermatologist can offer a range of treatments tailored to your specific needs. They might prescribe topical treatments like retinoids or benzoyl peroxide, which can help unclog pores and reduce inflammation. For more severe cases, oral medications such as antibiotics or hormonal treatments might be recommended to address the root cause of acne. In some instances, dermatologists may suggest procedures like chemical peels, laser therapy, or light treatments to target stubborn acne and improve skin texture. These professional treatments can provide more effective and long-lasting results compared to home remedies. Remember, your skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. A dermatologist can help create a personalized skincare plan that addresses your individual concerns and skin type. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice if you're struggling with persistent acne. Your skin health is important, and a dermatologist can be an invaluable ally in your journey to clear, healthy skin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and advice. Keep glowing and keep smiling.